Getting Rob up and running is easy. All it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1. Placing the charging station. You can place the charging station almost anywhere you like, around the edge of the lawn, even in a corner. You will need a relatively level spot close enough to a power outlet. Once you identify where to place it, run the power supply cable from the outlet and lay the charging station in position. Step 2. Now, it's time to lay the boundary and guide wire. The boundary wire defines the cutting area, so Rob will mow the lawn in the area you have defined. The guide wire helps Rob to find his way back to the charging station. It can also guide him to remote areas of the garden. Start by running the boundary wire from the charging station all the way around your garden, securing it to the ground with pegs. Once you reach the charging station again, cut the wire from the reel and equip both ends of the boundary wire with connectors. Now for the guide wire. Fasten one end of the wire into the snap locks at the bottom of the charging station and put a connector on the end. Then run the other end out from the front of the charging station to the boundary wire and secure it with pegs. It is a good idea to leave a 10-centimeter loop on the boundary wire where you plan to attach the guide wire. Connect the guide wire to the boundary wire using a coupler, making sure the guide wire goes into the middle hole and the boundary wires to the correct side holes. Use a plier to completely press down the bottom of the coupler and secure it to the ground with a peg. Go back to the charging station and connect the boundary and guide wires, making sure they are on the correct terminal. Insert the power supply cable and move the charging station into the correct position. Secure it to the ground with screws. Step 3. Now it is time to run the setup wizard. Switch Rob on and follow the on-screen instructions, and it will guide you through the installation step by step. Once it's done, Rob is ready to start mowing your lawn, making it look better than ever.